Welcome to Ancestry Library Edition. This video will show you how to access Ancestry Library Edition from home with the Halton Hills Public Library. Ancestry Library Edition is an online database that contains thousands of records of births, marriages, deaths, census information, immigration records, and more. The records cover the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and many other countries. New records are continuously being digitized and made available. The best part is that you can access Ancestry Library Edition for free with your library card. You might be familiar with Ancestry.com or Ancestry.ca, which are paid subscription services. Ancestry Library Edition offers the same database of records. The only difference is that the Library Edition does not allow for the same personalization, such as being able to upload a family tree. Ordinarily, to use Ancestry Library Edition, you must be physically within one of our library branches. But right now, you are able to log into Ancestry Library Edition from home. All you need is your library card to get started. If you do not have a Halton Hills Public Library card, visit our website at hhpl.on.ca to sign up for a virtual library card. You are able to get a card if you live in Halton Hills, work in Halton Hills, are registered to attend a school or other educational institution in Halton Hills, or own property, residential or business, in Halton Hills. With your library card, it is easy to log on to Ancestry Library Edition through our website. Start by going to hhpl.on.ca. Select Research and Support from the top banner. Hover your mouse over Research and Support and click on Local History from the menu that appears. If you click directly into Research and Support, you can find local history on the menu at the right-hand side. Click the link on the Local History page that will take you to the Research Family History page. From the Research Family History page, click on the plus sign beside the Ancestry Library Edition. Then, click on the purple bar that says Access Ancestry from Home. Now you type your library card number in the field provided. Make sure you put in all 14 digits without any spaces. Then, add your PIN, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number. This will log you into Ancestry Library Edition. You can now start your genealogy journey or continue finding records of your ancestors and your family history. Click on the Begin Searching button to start a basic search and fill in what details you know about a person. You can also choose a category and narrow your search to census, vitals, military, or immigration records. Good luck with your searching. To learn more about genealogy with the Halton Hills Public Library, check out our Researching Your Family History series or see our events calendar at hhpl.on.ca for information about our monthly genealogy circle and other programs.